Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and I'm going to show you how to fix storage full error. When the storage full error appears on your phone, it can cause app crashes, slow down screen transitions or prevent camera captures. At first, you need to purge system and app trash bins. Link photos, files or messages, move them to temporary trash folders where they remain stored for 30 days before being permanently deleted. Open the settings, scroll down to the device care section, and here you need to tap storage right here. As you can see, here we've got trash. Tap it, and here I've got my files, gallery and item. It is recommended to clean the trash. So here we've got my files. Okay, we can tap select what items we want to delete, and here we've got delete all, delete, and the same as with the calendar, and here select, delete all, delete. And now we've got trash fixed. What else can I actually recommend? Clear high volume app caches like social media or browsers. Go to the apps. Here in the apps section below the device care on the left, we've got to tap this three dots in the top right corner, and here filter and sort. Here we need to sort them by size. Here OK, and the top application here is PUBG Mobile. Tap this application, scroll down if you don't want to turn it on, and here we've got, as you can see, cache 1 MB but data 2 GB. Tap clear data and here clear. And do this to every application what you have here. Like for non-system one, like Samsung Core is actually important, Samsung Vision Model is actually important, Google Play services are actually important. So do this only to the third-party ones. And remember, avoid selecting clear data unless you want to reset the app to its initial state and log back in. You can just tap clear cache. Actually, I recommend clearing the data because you can just gain the storage back again. Manage WhatsApp until the Telegram media backlogs. Setting apps download incoming photos, videos and voice messages directly to your internal storage. In WhatsApp, you need to open WhatsApp, then go to settings, store the data, manage storage. You need to delete large files or long video forward directly. In Telegram, open settings, then data storage usage, tap clear Telegram cache. Then set the keep media slider to 3 days or 1 week so media auto deletes locally while staying backed up in the cloud. Delete hidden installation of files like APKs and old downloads. Open My Files application. My Files application are here, and once we are here in the My Files application, you need to go straight to the downloads right here. Here we've got downloads like all the images, etc. Click these three dots, select, and you can select all right here. Delete all and delete. Move to trash, pardon me. Then of course I need to throw it from trash like we did earlier. And of course you need to delete only unneeded PDFs, images, large documents or zip archives. You can leave alone things you need. Remember that, you need to leave them alone. And what we else got here, we've got here APK files. If you've got any, just delete. So apart from that, you need to open the camera app. This is the next step, by the way. Open the camera app, and here tap this 4 squares icon. Tap the gear icon, and here we've got photo enhancer, and you need to here tap balanced. Once you do that, you need to find advanced picture options. I need to find that actually at first, because here I've got photo format. Here tap promote picture format, and here select JPEG format. And once you have it selected, enable high efficiency pictures. Save space by capturing photo mode pictures in high efficiency image format HEIF. Some apps and websites don't support HEIF pictures. And here I've got the same video format. You need to here select have HEVC. And last thing, actually, offload media to cloud or USB external drive. Because the Galaxy Z Fold 8 does not support microSD cards, offload large video files to external storage or cloud services. You can use Google Photos or OneDrive, or some external USB Type-C drive like portable SSD or flash drive. Bye!